Hi, welcome back to my channel. Today we're doing a really easy 20-minute messy bun. Really hope you enjoy it. So just smooth through the hair and then take a section from the crown over to the right hand side, just comb it through and then twist out and then just pinch and pull. Hold the hair quite loosely at the bottom so you can pull that hair out. And just keep pinching and pulling until you're happy. Use your prong comb to add some height at the top if you want to. And then just hold with a silver clip. Then take a section at the side of that to the right, and then you're twisting this inwards. So you're twisting it towards the other twist. And just repeat the process. So give it a nice twist. And then just pinch and pull again. It's such an easy style, this one. And doing it this way in sections, you're creating all that lovely texture through the top. This mannequin that I use is very porous hair, so it's very easy to work with. I don't really have to use that much product on her, but if I was doing this on a real head, I would prep, and I'd probably put some, depending on what the hair needs, I would definitely put something like some texture spray or some smoothing cream in there. When you're happy with your sections, you'll see I've just put a grip running across the bottom of the twists. So now we're working on the left hand side, so take a section on the left, then twist it outwards. Don't twist it in, twist it out. And then just repeat. Pinch and pull again. So yeah, I'd definitely, on a real person, I would definitely be using some setting spray or some texture spray. Whatever the hair needs, whatever you feel it needs. So like, as you can see, I'm lifting it again with the prong comb just to add some height on the crown. Use your silver grip to hold that in place, then take a section at the side, and this time you're twisting in towards the middle, holding it at the bottom, and then just pinching and pulling again. It's so easy, it's just repetitive. But it's a really, really nice style, and it's a quick one to do for those busy wedding mornings. And sorry I get in the way of the camera there. I will get out of the habit of that someday maybe. So yeah, you just adding a grip at the bottom, keep pinching and pulling until you're happy with it. It's always good to take a step back and look at your shape, see if it needs what it needs, if you need to pull out more, if you need to lift it more at the crown, close any gaps. Once you're happy with that, then start on the sides. Bring in a nice section, and this time you're twisting it in to the head. Always twist it into the head when you bring in from the sides. So doing it like this, you're getting all that nice texture in there. You know, when you're doing it in these smaller sections, you're getting all that nice texture in there, and it's also very secure without lading it down with too much product, because it's all gripped in at the back there, and the small sections are obviously light on the grips. So yeah, just keep checking everything. Pinch and pull. You use a prong comb. The prong comb was brilliant for helping you to control the hair. I just see a little bit there that's stuck out a little bit more than I want, so I just hide it by popping a grip down. Nothing's unsalvageable, so if there's something you don't quite like, just use a grip to change the shape of it. And just repeat on the other side, comb it through, give it a twist in, not too tight, and then repeat again, pinch, pull and grip into place. You're going to be gripping where the bun's going to sit, so you're gripping it quite low, because obviously we don't want those grips to be on show. This mannequin is isn't. Who is it now? It's from gosh, I'll link it in the it's Ingrid. It's Ingrid from Pivot Point. Forgot what her name were then. I've got 2 mannequins. I've narrowed it down now. I've just got the 2. So yeah, this one's Ingrid from Pivot Point. I really do like the hair. It's very easy to work with, so it's good to practice. So yeah, you're taking the last section from the right hand side. You're just repeating the process, twisting it in, pinch, pull, leave a few face framing, which you can go in and add a slight wave to afterwards. I didn't do on this video because I just did this quickly this morning before I started work, so I've not actually curled the sides or waved the sides, but that's what I would do if I was doing it on a real head. And then same on the other side. So leave your face framing out and take the rest back, twisting it in. Always give it a little comb through to make sure it's nice and smooth. So hold it loosely at the back and then just gently pinch and pull, just to add that nice texture. It's nice to drape it over the ears as well. It's more flattering. And you tend to find a lot of brides do ask for. Not many brides want their ears on show for some reason. They don't. So and it is a lot more flattering to have it over the ears. So before I start the bun, I'm just checking the shape, making sure I've got the height in there that I want. It's really easy to do with the prong comb, just lift everything up. As you can see, it's a really soft, airy style. I'm not having to use much product at all because because there's such small sections and they're all gripped in individually. It's all really, really secure. If you want to change the shape of something, just use a U-pin and then give it a little spray. I'm using Volume Up, which is a really light hold, but it's enough just to change the shape of that area there that I just needed to. So then it's just moving on to the bun. So just gently smooth through the hair because you don't want to pull any of those grips out. And then just take an elastic or 2. I only needed 1 for the purpose of this tutorial. If I was doing it on a real head, I would use 2 elastics together. So you just create a ponytail. Make sure it's nice into the nape of the neck. Check again, just in case anything's moved when you were creating the ponytail. That's the good thing. You can just keep going in and changing things around, or do whatever you want really. So with the ponytail, split it into 2 and just create twisted tail over on each other right to the end. And then we're just going to loop it round at the nape of the neck. And just hold it in place, just add a couple of grips. So you push them, when you put your grips in, push them up and then down. That creates, as you can see what I'm doing there, you push it up into the hair and then down. Keep your grips closed as well, don't open them. that will hold that there while I just get rid of the bottom of the ponytail. I'm adding an elastic to the ends just to help me hide the ends, and I will also run a grip through that elastic to keep it nice and secure as well. So then hide that little piece under your bun, and then go through the bun and then through the elastic, and there you go. That's nice and secure. That the ends of the ponytail are hidden away. They're not going to be coming out anytime soon. Then it's just a case of going through the bun and really just use your eye on this one. Just go through the sections and you're pinching and pulling because you want to get that airy texture in there in the bun to match the rest of the style. So just keep going through it all. Needed to put a little bit up there, just make sure it's all balanced and just keep looking at it, see what it needs. Don't just check it from the back, look at the sides, because you want to make sure that you've got the volume there at the sides. You also want to make sure that it is meeting the nape of the neck. You don't want any gap there. Yeah, just keep going. Just keep pinching, pulling until you're happy. Everything's really, really secure because of the elastics and the grips you've got in there, so it's not going anywhere. So just keep going until you're happy with it. If you see that a section needs lifting, it's very easy to do. Just use a close grip, lift it up, push it into the bun. Yeah, using a prong comb is like having a third hand, really. It's much better than just using your fingers. You get a lot more control with it, and they're so cheap, the cheapest chips. So Amazon, you can get 5 for about £4, I think, something like that. So definitely worth getting your hands on one of those. As you can see, I just keep going. I don't stop until I'm happy with that. I've sort of made it as airy as I can to match the. I just really want it to match the airiness that's in the crown and throughout the rest of the style. As you can see, I'm lifting part of the bun up there just so I can get to the underneath, so I can keep pulling that down so it balances the bun, so it's the shape that we're looking for there. I'm just using a pin there, a grip, just to make sure that it meets the nape of the neck. Just brought it into the neck a little bit more. And carry on pinching and pulling. That's all the style is about, pinching and pulling. I can see a little grip there, so I use some of the bun to bring over and hide it. So easy to do. Always remember, use your grips closed, don't ever open them up. Then just add some nice accessories. These are from Pearl and Hugo, who you can find on Instagram. Their accessories are all handmade. They're absolutely stunning. So yeah, I'd have a look at those if you're looking for accessories. They are beautiful. And there you go. A really, really nice, messy updo with loads and loads of texture. Perfect for a bride or bridesmaid alike, or any special occasion. Hope you enjoyed. Make sure you hit subscribe, and I'll be uploading more often now. Thank you for watching. Bye.